Hey everybody, Mike Donato here from FIAMA Canada, and today we're going to do a milk system clean on the Jura ENA 8 Touch. Now for this process, you're going to need the Jura milk cleaning tablets, and you're going to need the clear milk cleaning container. After you prepare a milk drink, your machine will remind you to run this cycle. Now it's not important to do it after every drink, but I would recommend doing it daily. Now the first step would be getting your container, adding some warm water, and 1 portion of the milk cleaning tablets. Allow these to dissolve. At this point, you're going to select the gear on the bottom left corner of your screen, and you're going to click Clean the Milk System. It will then tell you to connect the tube. You'll connect the tube to the container and allow the machine to draw the solution through and clean all the milk from the frother into the separate chamber. Once that process is done, you're going to take the container, empty it in your sink, give it a good rinse, and fill it with clean water. You're then going to take that container, reconnect it to your machine, and allow the fresh water to run through the frother. Now this takes approximately 3 to 4 minutes, and once that step is done, you're finished. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Check out our Instagram at @FIAMA_Canada for some fun and cool content, and our website, fiama.ca, for all your cleaning product needs.